What is a minimum viable product or an MVP in other senses? Well, a minimum viable product or an MVP is essentially a new version of a product that only has the essential features required to meet the needs of early adapters and gather feedback, but an actual functional product that's used mainly to accelerate the overall learning process and test the market requirement. This is created with the least amount of effort and resources required for any organization. The concept of an MVP was mainly popularized in the early 2000s from the lean startup methodology, which is mainly used in product development overall, especially by startups. Let's look at some key characteristics of an MVP. Core functionality. Well, if we're talking about core functionality, it's just having the basic features involved at the launch date. Second, real life users involved. This is launching the overall product to a select group of early adapters. This is in order to test the product overall. Third, being entirely feedback driven. Being feedback driven is an incredibly important characteristic as it involves getting real life feedback and interactions with early adapters on how the product actually functions and how it's being tested overall. And the fourth is interactive development. So if it's talking about interactive development, we're talking essentially about planning out the entire product that can be organized in a method that future developments are created based on real life examples.